With so many products out there, what should I use? When should I use? Are these questions troubling you? Are you struggling to understand which product works best for me and my skin concern? Let's watch this video today and let's talk about how to make your skincare products work like a pro. Hi, I'm Dr. Sharmila Nayak and I'm a dermatologist practicing in Mumbai. My passion is to educate and empower people with the right information in how to take care of their skin and hair. So let's first understand what is layering. What does layering mean? Layering in simple terms means that you use the right products in a right order to maximize their benefits and to make the most out of them. Layering does not mean that you use a whole range of products. It does not mean that you mix some products and use them on your skin. So layering is first understanding your skin type, understanding your skin concern, and then we come to the right sequence of using those products. Today we are going to generalize about skincare routine in terms of layering and the sequence of it. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. What are the benefits of layering? First, let's understand that why should I use so many products? So when we talk about the benefits, first, it's a targeted skincare routine. It's going to address to your specific skin concern along with your skin type. Second benefit is that it's going to be helpful in better absorption of the products. And another benefit is when you're using good products in the right sequence, you're going to multiply the benefits. You're going to maximize their results. What are the products that we should be investing in to begin with? As a beginner, cleansing. We all know that cleansing our skin is very, very important. You definitely need to cleanse your skin because you want to remove the dirt, the grime or oiliness from your skin. Only once that is removed, then the other products are going to get absorbed better. Is double cleansing essential? It is essential to double cleanse. If you have makeup, if you have traveled a lot and there's a lot of dust and grime on your face. Double cleansing means using a oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser. After cleansing, the next routine that you want to incorporate or the next step that you want to incorporate is toner. If your skin is oily, if you have open pores, you could use a toner. Toner also helps set the pH balance of your skin. It also helps in reducing excess oiliness of your skin and it prepares you for the next step of the layering routine. After the toner, what you need to use is a serum. Serum is a lightweight molecule. It is also highly effective because it has active ingredients in it to target specific skin concern. When you use a serum, the active ingredients get absorbed much more better. So you could use a serum according to your skin type. If it is a dry skin, you could probably use a hyaluronic serum. If it is an oily acne-prone skin, you could use a salicylic-based serum. Once you use the serum, give it a few seconds. This is so important. Use the serum, wait for a few seconds, maybe around 20 to 30 seconds. After that, you could use a moisturizer. Why should I use a moisturizer? This is what most of my clients ask who have acne or oily skin. Guys, when we talk about moisturizers, we are not talking about oily products. We are talking about increasing the water content in your skin. Also, what is important for everyone to know, there are so many good moisturizers which are water-based, gel-based, which are going to nourish and also repair your skin. It protects the skin barrier function. After the moisturizer, it's very, very important to protect your skin. That brings us to the last step of the skin layering routine, which is sunscreen. That's my personal favorite, and it's every dermatologist's favorite. Use a broad spectrum sunscreen, which means you're using a sunscreen which is going to effectively block UVA and UVB rays of the sun. Also very important to use the sunscreen according to your skin type. Once you choose an apt sunscreen, do not forget to reapply the sunscreen. Every 2 to 3 hours if it's possible, please reapply your sunscreen to maximize its protective benefits. Don't forget to apply the sunscreen on the face, on the neck and on the back of your hands. Sunscreens are the most important part of your skincare routine. So this is how the sequence of your day care regime should be when we talk about layering of skincare products. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more information. Till then, keep smiling and keep shining.